How to contact Betway customer support quickly. Contacting Betway customer support is very simple. Just open your browser, go to betway.com and log into your account. There you'll find the support tab from the top of the menu. Go to support and there you'll enable the help option, so go to help. Once you go to help, you'll be taken to the Betway help page where you can choose any of the topics that you prefer. But we want to contact a customer care. So go to this button that says contact us. Once you select contact us, you can see it says how to contact Betway. So right here, you can see different type of contact options right here, and you can see the chat option. Now if you're on mobile, you'll enable this option that says click here to launch live chat. So you can go ahead and then make sure to enable that right there, and you'll be able to contact the customer support team as well. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then contact customer support on Betway. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.